these companies will be allowed to make representation to government?
See, on the blocking of these apps, while I would like you to refer you to the concerned ministry for the specifics of your question, I can inform you that India is one of the most open regimes in the world for attracting foreign direct investment. And in the last few years, government has taken a host of measures for creating a more investor-friendly regime. Similarly, in the area of digital technology and internet, India has adopted a very open regime. India is today one of the world's largest markets for digital and internet technologies with more than 680 million subscribers. The world's largest software and internet application companies are present in India. Naturally, while operating in India, they have to abide by our rules and regulations issued by the relevant ministries and departments, including those pertaining to data security and privacy of individual data. While we will continue to welcome foreign investments in India, including in the area of internet technologies, but this will have to be in accordance with the rules and regulatory framework established by the government.
So next set of questions are on West Bank. Jomi Thomas from Malayalam Manorama has asked, what's India's position on Israel's move for annexation of occupied areas of West Bank and the way Palestine has responded by asking the support of the world community for statehood? Anita Joshua from Telegraph has asked, India's reaction to Israel's plan of annexation of West Bank? Suhasini from...
Well, that is the weekly External Affairs Ministry briefing that's taking place, where now the MEA has said on China that senior commanders have met 3 times so far. Diplomatic engagements are also continuing between the two sides, but basis the senior commanders meeting that was which is where the ground situation was discussed, both sides have agreed to stepwise de-escalate and disengage. That's the official confirmation coming in from the government. MEA also said that overall situation will be handled in a responsible manner and that the latest discussion reflected on the immediate need to de-escalate, while the long-term plan, of course, that conversation will continue. So that's the latest coming in from the government on the India-China situation.